Students, now we are going to see equivalent rational numbers and standard form of the rational number. First one is equivalent rational number. Before that, we need to revise rational number. The number in the form of a by b, where b is not equal to 0 is called rational number. So equivalent rational number in the sense the rational number can be represented by the fractional that will be multiply its numerator and denominator with the same non-zero integer. For example, if you are taken 2 by 3, we can update equivalent rational number of 2 by 3 by multiplying the numerator and denominator with the same non-zero integer. For example, we can take 2, so 2 2s are 4, 3 2s are 6. So 4 by 6 is equivalent rational number of 2 by 3. In same way, we can obtain many equivalent rational number of 2 by 3. If you are taken 3, we can get 2 3s are 6, 3 3s are 9. So this also one equivalent rational number of 2 by 3. Now we will take another example, minus 5 by 2. We can create many equivalent rational number of minus 2 by 3. I will take 2 first. 5 2s are 10, here minus 5, so here minus 10, 2 2s are 4. Now minus 10 by 4 is equivalent rational number of minus 5 by 2. Next, minus 5 by 2 into 5. Now the number 5 5s are 25, it should be minus 25, and 5 2s are 10. So minus 25 by 10 is another equivalent rational number of 2 by 5. Next, let us discuss about rational numbers in standard form. Observe the following rational numbers: 4 by 5, minus 3 by 7, 1 by 6, minus 4 by 13, minus 50 by 51. Here we can see the denominator of these rational numbers are all positive integers. 5, 7, 6, 13, 51 are all positive integers. Second, 1 is the only common factor between the numerator and the denominator of each of them. So 4 by 5, the commonest factors are 1. For 3 and 7, the common factor is 1. For 1 by 6, the common factor is 1. For 4 and 13, the common factor is 1. And 5, 50 and 51, the common factor is 1. They don't have any another common factor other than 1. Next, third, the negative sign occurs only in numerator. So we should not put negative sign in denominator while we are writing the standard form. So negative sign always should be in numerator. Such rational numbers are said to be in standard form. So simply we can say a rational number is said to be in standard form if its denominator is a positive integer and both the numerator and the denominator have no common factor other than 1. If a rational number is not in standard form, then it can be simplified to arrive at the rational standard form. That is, we can see one example. We will take 18 by 42. We can divide by 2. It is not in rational form because for 18 and 42 we have 2 as common factor. So we have to divide by 2. So we will get 18 by 2, 9, 42 by 2, 21. Now again it is not in standard form because for 9 and 21 we have common factor 3. So we have to cancel the common factor. So now 9 divided by 3, 3, 21 divided by 3, 7. Now 3 and 7, 3 by 7 is a standard form because for 3 and 7 there is no common factor other than 1. So common factor of 3 and 7 is 1 and there is no negative in denominator. So that 3 by 7 is the standard form of 18 by 42. Let us do with some other examples. We will take minus 3 divided by 24, minus 24. Here negative sign in denominator, so we have to take the negative sign to numerator. Here already one minus is there, so minus into minus plus. So it will be changed as 3 by 24. Now there will be a common factor 3, so we have to divide by 3. We will get 1 3s are 3, 8 3s are 24. Now standard form of minus 3 by minus 24 is 1 by 8. Next we will see one more example. 9 divided by minus 27. Here minus is in denominator, so we have to take minus to the numerator. We will get minus 9 divided by 27. Now here 9 is a common factor. We can directly divide by 9. We can get 9 divided by 9 1. Here minus we have, so minus 1 divided by 27 divided by 9 3. So minus 1 by 3 is our standard form of 9 by minus 27. So children, do some other example for equivalent rational number and standard form of the rational number. I will meet you in next class. Thank you.